In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view My Garage on eBay. If you use eBay to shop for vehicle parts, accessories, or anything related to your car, truck, or motorcycle, the My Garage feature can be really helpful. It lets you keep your vehicle information in one place so eBay can show you more relevant parts and fitment details. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it from the main eBay website. To get started, open eBay and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top area of the screen for the My eBay menu. This is the section that gives you access to several account-related options, so if you've used eBay before, you may already be familiar with it. When you find My eBay, move your mouse over it and pause for a moment. You don't need to click right away. Simply hovering over this menu should open a drop-down list with more options. If the menu doesn't appear immediately, give it a second and make sure your cursor stays over the My eBay area. On some devices or browser layouts, you may need to click instead of hover, but the goal is the same. Open the My eBay menu so you can see the available account sections. Once the drop-down menu is visible, look through the list until you see My Garage. This is the option you'll want to select. Go ahead and click on My Garage to open it. After you click, eBay will take you to your garage section where you can view any vehicles you've already saved. This is where you'll typically see your stored vehicle details, which can help when searching for parts that match your specific make, model, and year. If you haven't added a vehicle yet, this page may prompt you to set one up first, but the important part is that this is the correct place to access the feature. A quick tip: if you plan to use My Garage often, it can save time to become familiar with the My eBay menu since many account tools are grouped there. Also, if you're having trouble finding My Garage, make sure you're using the full eBay site and that you're signed in, because some account options may not appear otherwise. That's all it takes to view My Garage on eBay. Hover over My eBay, then click My Garage, and you're in.